Good morning, YouTube fam. This morning, I wanted to come out here and be in nature and have some me alone time. So I'm out here today. Feels really good out here. It's nice and cool. Just in case, I'm gonna bring no, I have a blanket. I'm gonna bring my jacket just in case for comfort. My jacket. I'll come back for my tea because my throat has been a little itchy, sore. Let me have you guys look at how beautiful it is out here. Look at how gorgeous it is out here. Before I actually come out here, I think I'm gonna drive to the pavilion to go use the restroom first, because I don't want to set up and then have to use the restroom. I'm gonna go sit right over there in front of the water. I have this new tripod selfie stick type thing, and it's cool, but it's very limited as far as what it could do. Is what I'm just noticing. So I can't twist it left and right, can I? Oh, shucky ducky. Yes, I can. Never mind. I just gotta get used to it. All right, so I'm gonna grab my chair. And I'm gonna grab my blanket. I should grab my tea, because then I won't have to. I think this is a good spot. We shall see.